We're going to talk about all different types of oil today, and we have Eunice Lee, a dietetic intern, who is going to give us some information on these different types of oils. We get lots of calls and questions about which one's healthy, which one's good for me, which ones are good for frying or stir frying. So Eunice is well versed in this, so she's going to go through some of them for us.
Thank you, Quincy. So the first oil we're going to be talking about is sesame oil. Sesame oil is mostly used for low heat cooking. The flavor is so full-bodied that you really just want to use a little bit of it. Too much will overpower your dish. The next oil is extra virgin olive oil. And now the thing most people don't know is that olive oil are actually graded. The very finest olive oil is your extra virgin olive oil, usually used for sauteing, very short-term cooking. So if you want to do, like I said, sauteing or stir frying, then your extra virgin olive oils are what you want to use.
So it's the better quality and tasting.
Definitely better
What
quality.
about health-wise?
Health-wise, it is the best. Very low in saturated fat. Quincy, will you read the saturated fat for me?
It looks like we've got 2 grams of saturated fat.
Only 2 grams.
Okay.
And I know that there's a controversy with coconut oil, which is next. The coconut oil is a saturated fat. People are saying use more coconut oil. It's very popular right now in cooking. But to be honest, if you want to talk about being heart healthy, you definitely want to stick to your monounsaturated, polyunsaturated fats, because even though this coconut oil is liquid in room temperature, the saturated fat is still 13 grams, just like the one that is solid at room temperature. The next oil are vegetable oils. We got vegetable oil, canola oil, corn oil. These are all pretty much the same. Very good for stir frying, medium time cooking.
So a medium kind of heat point for these.
Exactly.
And these are like general purpose. Most people will have these in their pantry.
Definitely.
Okay.
The next ones are olive oil, but these are very different. These are named 100% pure, natural, but these are very refined oils, which means that they took the pits, the skin, all the stuff that they couldn't get oil from the first time it was pressed, and they heat it to mechanically get more oil out. So if you think about it, it's kind of like that, put the rest of the sausage in the sausage casing. It's kind of like what they're doing with this olive oil. So
it's a lower grade, probably
is a lower grade.
Doesn't have as good of a taste, and quality is lower quality.
Definitely.
Okay.
So if you want to talk about good quality olive oil,
stick
to
to
the extra virgin.
Okay.
And then next are our high heat cooking oils, which consist of grapeseed oil, peanut oil, and then avocado oil. So these you want to use for your deep frying, for your long-term cooking. Avocado oil would probably be the most heart healthy, but it is a little bit more expensive, so getting grapeseed oil would be the next best option. Grapeseed oil and peanut oil, which is more regularly used, is actually the same price.
But the avocado oil is real popular right now.
Definitely.
And it does have the highest smoke point,
yes,
high
it
heat,
does, about 570.
but it's a little more expensive.
It is, definitely, but you know, this is the way to go if you can get it.
Okay. Very good. Well, we've talked about all these different types of oil, and of course there's all different brands, and it's kind of confusing when you go in the grocery store, but this kind of clears some things up. So we want to make sure that we're choosing things that are more heart healthy.
Definitely.
If that's what we're looking for. And so we like our extra virgin olive oil, we like our avocado oil with the monounsaturated fats, and we want to stay away from saturated fats.
Definitely.
So, well, thank you for all this information, Eunice.
Thank you
we
so
appreciate
much.
it.